Hello friends, today we learn how to create account for CyberArk. So you need to open any browser whichever is available on your desktop. Right now I am using Chrome. Then search VUE CyberArk. Then click on this first website. Then the login page will be open. If you already have account, you can directly log in from here. We are creating new account. Read those terms and conditions carefully and click the tick boxes. Then I agree. Create a web account. There will be 4 steps. Identification ID you will present at the test center. Remember this thing. You must enter your first name as per your government ID. Then last name. Then enter your email address. Confirm your email address. Create a web account. Contact information. Step 2. Address, home, then location, India, company name, Softech Cloud. Then enter your company name here, Softech Cloud, your address, Hinjewadi, then your city, Pune, then select your state, then your PIN code, after that telephone number, then next, local language contact information. Next, enter your company email address here. It's additional information. Enter your company's mail. If you do not have company email address, please enter your personal email address. Login information. Step 4. Create your username here. Check availability, it's available. Enter your password. Confirm your password. Then you need to set some questions, security questions. Question 1, then answer 1. After that question 2, then answer 2. Then question 3, answer 3. Finish. Here your account is successfully created. If you want to learn how to schedule exam, you can subscribe our channel. We definitely upload next video on how to schedule the exam. Thank you for watching this video.